Alright guys, a quick one. Here, I'll detail how to enable or disable cover to mute on Apple Watch Series 9. So if at the end of this you found this offer informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe. Now the first one to do is go ahead and press the digital crown once to exit the watch face. Locate and click on the settings icon. On the settings page, scroll down until you get to gestures. And then click on it. Once you selected gestures, scroll down. Then it should say cover to mute. When this is on and you are receiving an alert, you can mute Apple Watch by resting your palm on the display to cover it for at least 3 seconds, and you will feel it tap to confirm that the mute is enabled. Now turn this on. So when next you want to use cover to mute, all you need to do is cover the Apple Watch screen like this for about 3 seconds, and once you feel it tap, then the cover to mute is going to be enabled. To disable it, just locate cover to mute under gestures and then toggle it once. So that's exactly how to enable or disable cover to mute on Apple Watch Series 9. So if you found this offer informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe.